Hello everyone, I am Gauraj Kumar Singh Rathod. Welcome back to Fly Rajput Towards Infinity. Today we are going to solve another question from the diagonal scale. So all the questions I am solving here are provided down in the description. You can go check them out. So the first question is, construct a scale to measure kilometer, 1/8 kilometer and 1/40th of an kilometer, in which 1 kilometer is represented by 4 centimeter. Mark on this a distance of 2.775 kilometer. So from the first line, construct a scale to measure kilometer, 1/8 of kilometer and 1/40th of an kilometer. It is clear that we have to draw a diagonal scale because we have 3 units to show. And from the second line, we can get the data to calculate RF, because the second line is in which 1 kilometer is represented by 4 centimeter, and we all know RF is equals to drawing size divided by the actual size. So 1 kilometer is the actual size and 4 centimeter is the drawing size. In this question, they do not have provided us the maximum length to be measured, which will be required to calculate the length of the scale, because the length of the scale is equals to RF multiplied by maximum length to be measured. So we can assume a appropriate maximum length to be measured. So let's say we will be assuming 4 kilometers for this question. So let's start with the RF. We always start with the RF because this is the first step to solve any question of diagonal scale or plane scale. So the RF is equals to drawing size divided by the actual size, and the drawing size is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter divided by the actual size, which is 1 kilometer. But we have to convert the kilometer into centimeter because the upper unit is centimeters. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So now both of them are in centimeter, and it will be 1 by 25,000. So the RF is 1 by 25,000. Now length of the scale L, which is equals to RF multiplied by the maximum length to be measured. So the RF is 1 by 25,000 multiplied by maximum length to be measured. We have assumed 4 kilometers. 4. Again we want length of the scale in centimeters because the scale we have is in centimeters. So 4 kilometer again multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 100 to convert it into centimeters. Now it will be 16 centimeter. So the length of the scale is 16 centimeter. So the procedure will be, take a point, draw a line of 16 centimeter, divide it into 4 equal parts, each representing 1 meter. Subdivide the first division into 8 equal parts, each will be representing 1/8 of kilometer, and then further divide the subdivision into 5 equal parts, each will be representing 1/40th of the kilometer. So okay, so take a point, draw a line of 16 centimeter, now divide this line into 4 equal parts, each will be representing 1 kilometer. Process is pretty similar to the plane scale. We have to draw a line of any length at any angle, any random angle, and we will be cutting arcs 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have divided this line into 4 equal parts. Now join this point to the end of the line. Okay, and draw parallel lines from each point. So eventually we will get that the line drawn by us is divided into 4 equal parts. Now number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide the first division into 8 equal parts. Each will be representing 1/8 of kilometer. So again the procedure is same. Draw a line at random angle. Divide this line into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Join this point to this point which is at 0. Okay. Now draw parallel lines from each point. Now these subdivisions represents 1/8 of kilometer. These are representing, directly we can say kilometers, and these are representing 1/8 of kilometer. Now we will be showing 1/40th of kilometer by dividing this small division into 5 equal parts, because we have to show 1/40th of an kilometer. To show 1/40th of an kilometer, we need to divide 1/8 into 5 equal parts. Okay, so if 1/8 of part is divided further into 5 equal parts, it will be 1/40th of kilometer. Simple. So for dividing this small segment further into 5 equal parts, we will be using the method of diagonal division. So the method is pretty simple. Draw a line of 5 centimeter. Okay, now divide this line, this vertical 5 centimeter line, into 4 equal parts. Sorry, 5 equal parts, because we have to show the 1/40th of kilometer. Okay, the procedure is same. Take a point, draw a line, divide this line into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join this point to this point. And then draw parallel lines from each point. Now draw horizontal line from each of these points. Okay. Now you can draw a line from 1, and from this point to this point we can draw another inclined line. We have another option to do the same thing. We can take this point and the second last point, and we can join them. So we will get the parallel lines. As you prefer, you can go with this one or with this one. I preferably go with this one. And now draw parallel lines from each point. This is from 0, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th one is already drawn. Okay, now these points are showing 1/40th of kilometer. Okay, now we are showing 2.775 kilometer on this, 2.775 kilometer. So we need to break this into multiple of ones and 1/8 and 1/40th. So this is 2 plus 0.750 plus 0.025. So this is 2.775, and this is 2, 1, 2 here, and 750 can be 6/8. Okay, because 1 of 8, 1 divided by 8 is 0.125 kilometer, and 1/40th means 0.025 kilometer. Okay, so this is 6 part of 1/8 kilometer, and this is 1 part of 1/40th kilometer. Okay, so count 2 from here. Okay, and then count 6 from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and count 1 from here. 1. So this is 2.775 kilometer. So this is how we can draw or construct a diagonal scale. If you have any doubt regarding this question, you can ask in the comment section below. Please like this video, share this video to all your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.